Hey guys, my name is Sonia from OTG Naturals, and today I'm going to be showing you some easy do-it-yourself ingredients you can actually find at the supermarket. For me, it's really important to actually also list out these ingredients in German, because most of the time we living in Germany, we feel that okay, you can order everything online, but at the end of the day, just because of language barrier, these things are actually found at the supermarket. So you can buy a flaxseed at the supermarket. I usually buy my flaxseed from Rewe. So it's called, in German, it's called Linseed. So when you go to supermarket, you just ask for Linseed and you get it. You can use it to make your flaxseed gel. You can use it, you can actually eat it. It's really delicious. And then the next one is Chamomile tea. So you can get this in German and it's called Chamomile. So you can get the Chamomile tea at the supermarket and you can use it for your tea rinse for your hair. It really helps. It stops breakage. It restores your moisture to the hair. And so the next is lemongrass. So lemongrass as a tea this time, not as an oil, as an oil, as a tea. So you can get lemongrass in Rewe supermarkets, and it's called citronic grass. So you can also use this lemongrass tea as a rinse. It really helps with the scalp. It helps a lot. So you can get the citronic grass at the Rewe supermarket or any other German supermarket. And so we also have the nettle. You know, when I made a hair butter, I said I added a little bit of nettle to it, so I added the nettle powder, but you can use the nettle tea as well. You can add that instead of maybe apple cider vinegar. You can add the nettle tea, and it's called Brennnessel Zitrone, or Brennnessel. So you can get the Brennnessel at the German supermarket. And the next is Rosehip. It's called Hagenbutter, and you can also get this tea at the German supermarkets. So next we have our soybean yogurt. When most of the people ask what's soybean, what's yogurt? Well, soybean yogurt, it's called soya yogurt. So you can also get the soya yogurt at the supermarket in Germany, so you don't have to order it online. And I also have the soybean flour. This flour really helps a lot if you're making a do-it-yourself deep conditioner. It acts as a protein treatment for hair. So it's really very good and very healthy for our hair. So sometimes I usually add a little bit of soybean flour. I add that to my avocado mixed with olive oil or mixed with aloe vera, just to thicken the whole mixture, and then I add to my hair, and it's really good for your hair. It restores the protein and everything. So I also have the canola oil, or the rapeseed oil. So it's called Rapeseed, and you can also get this at the supermarket. And then I still have the flaxseed oil. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about. So you can also get this lime oil. It's called lime oil in German, and you can find this as well at the supermarket. And then we get the sunflower. This is completely obvious. Sunflower, Sonnenblumenöl. You can get this also at the supermarket, so you don't have to order these things online. What you can do is you can translate the names on the ingredients, and you translate it maybe to German or to your language, and then you search. You'll be shocked that you see all these things at the supermarket instead of ordering online or waiting for days just to get your stuff delivered. And then of course the apple cider vinegar, we also have it in German. It's called the Apfelessig. You can also get this at the supermarket, and that way you don't have to order the one online. I mean, ordering online is really good, but it saves you time and money if you just go to the supermarket and you just get these things done. So in this mixture of in this explanation of mine, what you can do, for example, an obvious do-it-yourself deep conditioner or an obvious do-it-yourself hot oil treatment can be maybe a mixture of the flaxseed oil and the let's say the sunflower oil, and then maybe you can mix a little bit of the soybean flour to it as a protein treatment, as a deep conditioner for your hair. And then when you want to rinse it out, maybe your scalp is allergic to apple cider vinegar, so you can instead use chamomile tea, or you can use a nettle tea as a hair rinse. so it helps to reduce your hair breakage, and it also regulates the protein level of your hair to an extent. At least it does for me. So you just have to try these things out. Most of the time when we say do it yourself recipes, most of the time we are sensitive to this natural stuffs, but you just have to try it out to see which one your oil agrees with, or to see which one your hair to see which one suits your hair. So yes, that's it from me today. I really look forward to you trying these things out. It will save you really money on products and so on and so forth. So for those that are struggling with breakage, apple cider vinegar is there, but I also recommend black tea or green tea rinse. It helps a lot. Or you can even do black tea or green tea spray for your hair. You can constantly spray your hair with it, maybe before wash day, a week or 2 weeks before wash day or something. Or you just spray your hair with it, and it also helps to reduce breakage. So thank you so much for taking our time to watch this video, and do have a great day. I'm going to keep you updated. I'm going to make a new deep conditioner, just a normal one with our avocado stuff, but I'm going to share that with you. So do have a great day, and bye till next time.